All right. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Sunday, October 26th, 27th. Anyway, I'm just leaving Bob Evans. Got my coffee here. Just accepted a $9.40 order from Taco Bell. It's a DoorDash order. So Taco Bell is like right on the corner where I live. So I didn't mind taking it since I'm going back that way. And that way, if I don't get anything else, I'm pretty close to home. Or if I get some more good orders, we'll keep on working. All right, let's go pick it up. All right, guys, we got order number 1 picked up. It's still early. It's only 11:45. Got like a 7-minute drive. I don't know if I'm going to stay out or maybe head back home and head out later, maybe like, about 1 for the football games. All right, guys, we got that order dropped off. Just got a $9 order for Leonardo's Pizza. It's a beautiful day out here. It's definitely a fall feel in the air. The leaves are all starting to fall off, which is kind of sad. But, all right, let's go pick up this next order. All right, we got this order from Leonardo's picked up. There's something I wish these apps would quit doing, sending us the orders so early. I personally hate sitting around. I feel like when I'm sitting, I'm not making money. The only good thing is I didn't have anything else come in on the other apps, and you got to excuse me today. I can barely breathe, but let's go get this order dropped off. All right, so me and Percy just driving along, got that order dropped off, and I think I'm gonna head home and take a shit. But that's usually when you have to use the bathroom, you keep getting orders. All right, guys, it's still Sunday. It's about 2:30 now, so I went home for about an hour and a half, hour 40 minutes. I was getting so many crappy $2, $3, $4 DoorDash orders that I ended up turning the app off. So I finally turned it back on, and I have a $9 order at PF Chang's. All right, we got that order picked up. I got a 9-minute drive, 3 miles, $9. That's not bad. Let's get this one. Let's think of something clever. Let's get this one done with. I'm actually right in front of Starbucks. I'm gonna run in here. I'm gonna read some car manuals. And the Browns play at 4:20 today, so I'm gonna sit here. And if I don't get any good orders by then, I'm just gonna go home, chill, watch the game. All right, I was sitting in there about 10 minutes. I just got my drink, and I'm going to post a picture of this guy I saw sitting in there with a leather vest. This is the temperature. He had on a leather vest and leather pants. But anyway, I got an order from Leonardo's. It's 4 minutes away, so I sat there for a few minutes. Now I'm going to go pick this order up. So I'm sitting here in front of Leonardo's, and once again, I'm waiting. The order said a 3-item pizza, but she said they had to wait to hear from the customer because they didn't say what 3 items it was. So they said it'd be about another 5 minutes or so. You know me, I just hate waiting. I got my pizza, and it's funny, I'm dropping it off at a Chinese restaurant. But I just saw him come out yelling at somebody, "Hey, we switched your pizzas." So let's hope this pizza's right. I'm going to get this dropped off, and it's 4 o'clock. If I get something good, I'm going to keep going. If not, I'm going to go home and watch the Browns lose. All right, we got that order dropped off at, what is this place? Pad Thai. And I got an order right across the street from the Town Tavern. Let's see where that one's going. But you know what? This place better tip. You're a restaurant. You better have a decent tip in there. Hey, I finally had an order ready when I picked it up. So got this. Let's go drop this off. I was hoping I would get a tip on that order. Just dropped off. It's a golf course community. Look at that house. Matter of fact, I took Augusta Drive to Torrey Pines Drives. Man, these houses are nice. All these streets back here are named after famous golf courses. But the thing about these houses, look how big they are, but they're so close to each other. I just never understood that McMansion thought. If I'm gonna spend this kind of money for a house, I'm gonna have some space between me and my neighbors. All right, guys, we got that order dropped off. Got a $10 order on DoorDash from PF Chang's. It's about a mile or so up the road, and the drop off is going back towards where I live. So we're gonna get this picked up and then determine if we're gonna head home or keep on working today. All right, guys, we got this order picked up. We got about a 9-minute drive to the drop off. All right, I just did something stupid. I'm sitting at home, I'm waiting for this order from City Barbecue. No, it's Old Carolina Barbecue. So I drove to the wrong place. I'm trying to check in and it's saying, you know, you're not close to the location. So I got to go to the other barbecue place. It's about a 5-minute drive. It's not that far away. But hey, it's you know, things happen. All right, let's get to the right location and pick up this order. So the crappy thing about this barbecue place is farther away. So I got a bit of a longer drive to get to this drop off. All right, guys, so I just picked up a $13 order. It's one of those orders where you have to place it, but with those orders, it depends on A, the time of day, and it's 6 o'clock, so there's not much going on, and B, it depends on the restaurant. So this is at Piata, so if there's not a long line, you just go in, you place the order, and you're good to go. With these orders, like I said, if it's a restaurant where you're gonna have to wait 40 minutes, it's not worth it unless it's one like I got the other night, which was a $31 order. All right, guys, I'm back at home here. I got so I was pulling up into the drive and I got an order for PF Chang's. I think it's like a $15 order. It's right down the street, but it says it's gonna be about 20 minutes before it's ready. So I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna chill, watch a little bit of football, and then go pick up this order, and the drop off looks pretty close. All right, so got that order picked up. I've had this lady before. She's a good tipper. It's a $10 tip on this order, and it's only a couple miles down the road. Let's get it dropped off. All right, we got that order dropped off. I'm done. It's kind of a busy road to drop off, and don't have the light on. So you know, the numbers or the address on the mailbox, they're about that big. So that's why I'm not a fan of delivering once it gets dark. So, all right, I'm heading home and we're gonna add everything up. I have a feeling it's gonna be a decent day money-wise. We put a lot of miles on the car today. I'm at about 55 miles right now. Probably got a mile to get home. So yeah, we'll see how it turned out. All right, guys, we are back at home. We put 55 miles on the car today. That's a lot of miles. We got 54.7 miles per gallon. I'm loving a hybrid. So we burnt about a gallon of gas. All right, let's get everything added up and see how the day turned out. So, all right, guys, well, let's see how we did today. We made $9.02 on DoorDash. Really good day on GrubHub. $73.97. And I really like when I make more in tips than I do in the delivery pay. $15.41 on UberEats, and we had a $3 tip that we can add on to that. So if we add that all up, we made over $100 today. That's pretty good. Now I am not sure how many hours I worked, because I worked, stopped, went out again, came home, you know, so I was back and forth a lot today. But if we take that $101 and we put, let's find it right here, 55.6 miles on the car. So if we divide that, why do I always do that? All right, let's clear that out. So we made $101.41. Divide that, what the hell? $101.41 divided by 55.6. $1.82 a mile. That's another good day. Like I say, anything over $1.50 is a good day, and I really like that I broke $100 today. All right, so today was a good day, and I'll maybe make it back out this week. Halloween is Thursday. I'm kind of curious if that's going to be a good day or a slow day. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.